to make a little portrait of my Oncidium Varicosum variation Rogersii. I got it at the Orchid show in Lund 1 year ago, and it's a pre-order from the German nursery that's called Röllke Orchideen, as you can see on the tag here. And yeah, it wasn't so pricey. It was about 17 or 15 euro, and I didn't have to pay anything for any delivery cost or anything. So, and they just got me the best plant they had, with the most number of pseudobulbs, as you can see. It's quite a lot of pseudobulbs in here. Yeah. And this one is native to Brazil, Bolivia and Paraguay. So it's a South American orchid, and it lives in intermediate to warm temperatures, and it likes to have medium to intermediate light. And I provided 4000 Kelvin LED light in my apartment, a little bit away from the window. It doesn't really like direct sunlight, as you can see. It's easily burnt. This yellow light yellow, and these patches, that's quite common on Oncidium orchids. So yeah. Anyways, it should be kept in well-drained media, but I'm not really keeping it in well-drained media. I'm keeping it in my bark mixture with some sphagnum moss and perlite and coconut husk, or fiber, or what you want to call it. And well, but I got a few ventilation holes in it, as you can see on the sides, and quite a large air cone in the bottom. But sometimes I just spray it from above, and I usually go over it with my sprayer. Since it's a climbing orchid, as you can see, the roots are up here. This is the newest growth, and it's climbing out of its pot upright to the sky. So, well, we'll see what happens in the future. If I have to mount it, or just put it a little bit down in a pot to the side, or yeah, in which way I'm gonna repot it. I'm not really sure, but as you can see, it's a climber. Yeah, and I water it as it approaches dryness, and as I said, I spray it a little bit on top, in between, and yeah, fertilize it, yeah, a little amount of fertilizer every time, at least when I can see that it's growing stage. And yeah, when I first got it, it had 2 flower spikes, but this time it only produced 1. But I think it's a beautiful, eye-catching, show-stopping flower spike. You can see this flower spike directly when you enter my room. And the flowers are quite large for being an Oncidium type orchid. When you read about it, they say that the flowers can be 3.75 centimeters. And yeah, as you can see here, that's the truth. They are really large. And I also love it that they are so dark in the petals. It's almost black, but the light doesn't make it any justice to it. This beautiful tongue is so striking in this color. And as I said, it's a showstopper and an eye catcher. And yeah, it's quite difficult to make it justice, the colors, when you film it. So I tried to film it in the evening, in the daytime, but yeah, but the sunlight, it was hard to really catch the beautiful flowers and its colors. I mean, this is black, this is almost black, but here it's light brown, or yeah, it really doesn't make it justice. But this one is an eye catcher and a real showstopper, and yeah, I can surely recommend this orchid to you. And it's not such a big one as well, so yeah, it's a beautiful thing to have and to keep, and it grows well in intermediate conditions on the windowsill, or a little bit away from the windowsill, I might add. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching today. Hope you enjoyed my movie, and well, hope to see you later on. Have a good day. Bye bye.